Well, Steve Mignani here, the boots are on and we're doing the junkyard crawl. Today we're at Winkle Auto Salvage in Milford, New Hampshire, and I think I found myself something kind of special, or did I? Well, it starts off as a red 1974 Dodge Dart Sport, but here we see the magical 340. So again, Dart Sport 340. Remember, of course, the Dart Sport grew out of the 1971-72 Dodge Demon, which was Dodge's take on the Plymouth Duster, which came out in 1970. But after a couple of years, the Demon name went away because of, well, pressure from certain groups that thought it was satanic. So go figure, in 2019, the Demon would come back as a 9-second challenger and be embraced by one and all. But back in the 70s, it was a big deal. So again, Dart Sport became the name for a Demon after 1972. Now this one here is a 74, according to the VIN. Now here's the thing though. See, if I walked around here, I'd say, man, this is a rare car. It's a 340. What's not to like? Well, the reality is 1974 was the first year that the 340 was replaced by a 360. So we start to wonder, is this really what it looks like? Well, first we go to the VIN through the windshield right here. Let's take a peek and decode. And what we have is LL29G4B, the G right there, 318 two-barrel. So then you say, okay, well, either the fender was replaced, the emblem was added, or the VIN is wrong. So then we say, okay, what now can we do to further identify this car and confirm? Let us now go to the end of the door here, where there's a sticker. This is the VIN sticker. And again, LL29G4B1, this is the same one. So the G code again, second time right here. So, okay, so maybe somebody switched the door and the VIN from a 318 car onto a real 340, 360 car. Well, it's really starting to fall apart. For the third and final confirmer or denier, we go under the hood where the trim tag, which is viewed from this side here, here we have it. Okay, the VIN, LL29G4B. So it's a 1974 318 car. And we go further. This thing right here, E44 and D34. Well, we have Dave Wise's field guide. We look inside and we get a sense of what we're looking at. E44, 318 two-barrel. There it is, 73, 74. D34 would be D34 right here. Torque Flight automatic transmission. So again, Dave Wise's book, and our eyes don't lie. This is not a muscle Dart Sport. And again, in 1974, something like 7,000 Dart Sport 360s were built. This ain't one of them. But it's a nice little car. You know, it has the V8 K-frame, manual drum brakes on this one, no discs, kind of a weird car. Power steering. It was not an air conditioner car. We don't see the extra holes. It has just a regular heater. Here's the heater core hoses. 3-speed wiper, that was an optional upgrade. Pretty solid little car, but again, don't be fooled. This is not a 340 car. It's not even a 360 car. So you got to bring the right equipment when you go to the boneyard to make sure that you understand what you're looking at. Now, if you like this video, be sure to stick around and, of course, subscribe to the Steve Mignani YouTube channel.